In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix TikTok Shadowban. So let's just get straight into the video. We're going to be talking about three phases that you'll need to be fixing this with. So first phase is going to be confirmation and immediate cooldown. So day 1 to 3 is going to be you not posting. So do not keep posting, as this can extend the shadow ban. Stop posting, take a 48 to 72 hour break from posting new content to let the algorithm reset. Also, try to verify the ban, so hashtag test, post a video with a unique unheard of hashtag, search it for or search for it on a different non-following account. If it doesn't appear, you're likely shadow banned. Also, try to go ahead and check analytics. So if you go to your creator tools, analytics, if your For You traffic is going to be on 0%, then you're most likely shadow banned as well. So the final thing, the second phase you can do is going to be deleting violating content. So remove or make private any video that violate community guidelines, such as copyrighted music or controversial comment, and also remove any suspicious, spammy, or forbidden links, hashtags on your profile. Now, the third and final gradual return and optimization is going to be posting only one video per day, making sure it is high quality and original. Avoid reposting old content. Also limit hashtags, so use 3 to 5 highly relevant hashtag, not 30. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. For more videos,